One of the biggest problems for homebrewers is not knowing how much beer is left in your keg before the keg kicks. No longer, because Kegmaster and Keg King have developed this. This is a wireless keg scale, and it will feed to you in real time how much beer is left in your keg. Let's open it up and show you how it works. Let's open it up and show you how it works. So first and foremost, a huge thank you to Keg King for sending one of these over to us so that we can have a little play. Massively appreciated, because this is something that I've actually been looking at trying to build a prototype for myself. Little did I know that some much brighter people were already working on this before me. So this is a much prettier version of what I was self-building at home. But the way that this thing works is we open her up, we turn her on, there's the on button, and then we need to tar our scales. This connects straight to an app on your phone. That QR code is available on the back of your box, takes you straight to the download. You can set up your application and then you connect your device to the keg scales and you've got that real-time feed going on. So let's show you how that works. So step 1, download your app. Step 2, turn on the device and connect it. Here, I am just going through and editing what beer I'm going to be connecting this particular scale for. This is going to be connecting to our Czech lager that we brewed recently on the channel. Link to that video right up there if you want to know how a true double decoction mash Czech Pilsner is made. We've now got a keg on our scale and we can go ahead and select the scale. The reason why we've done this is we want to tar our new keg scales. So in this particular case here, that's how heavy our keg is. We're going to tar it, save it. Now that's all registered. This is an empty keg. I can now go ahead and slot this keg scale under one of my full kegs and we are ready to rock and roll. In an ideal world, you would have tarred the exact keg that you're going to use these scales for. I already brewed this beer before the scales arrived, so unfortunately I've done it the dumb way. But don't be like me, tar your keg before you fill it up with your beer, and then you've got an exact measurement down to the gram of how much beer is actually left in that keg. Let's go ahead and slot this under one of our beers, and then we can start watching it change in real time. Now, let's pour our Czech lager that we made on the channel a couple weeks ago. Link to that video up there. This is if you want to make a true double decoction mash Czech Pilsner with a side pour tap. Also, this side pour tap system you can get from Keg King too. So, worth checking that out if you're into the European styles of lager. Let's go ahead and pull our pint, opening part way to generate a nice head of foam before plunging the tap into the foam layer and fully opening it up. The really awesome part about this is that A, this is an amazing beer, but B, I'm now going to be very conscious about when this beer is running out and when I need to stop offering it to other people because I want all of it for me. And there we go. Not only is that just a beautiful pour, if I might say so myself, that has all updated in real time on the app. So I'm now going to be able to keep track of how much booze I have left and when it is time to get back to brewing. You have 19 pints left now. It tells you in pints. Yeah. That's very useful. I like that a lot. Cheers to you guys over at Keg King. You have come up with a beautiful product. You can pick up one of these keg scales for, I believe it's about $149 Aussie. Yes, that is a touch on the expensive side, but it is so cool to be able to have these real-time feeds. I've also seen people use these and they have like a TV in their brewery setup, and in real time, they've got it displaying up there. So they have behind them their whole tap list, all of the quirky names that they want to apply, and then you see those real-time feeds of what's available in the kegs at any given moment. So honestly, it's, yeah, expensive, but this is an expensive hobby, and it's a really cool toy and a new addition to this world. You can also use these things for not just your kegs. You can use them for your fermenters. You can use it for your CO2 tanks. There's a lot of adaptability with how you use these Kegmaster scales. So I'm very excited to see how this integrates into the rest of my brewing activities. And on the lines of this pour right here, looks foamy, but that is a true Czech pour. So if you want to see how to pour a Czech Pilsner 3 different ways, check that video on right up there, and we'll go through the whole different techniques and why the Czechs like to pour them so foamy. Now, a big thank you to our Patreons for supporting the channel day in, day out outside of YouTube. If you want to think about becoming a Patreon, click the link down below. You can get more involved with the channel, directly talk with us, and plan future videos, future ideas, like the Oktoberfest beers that are going to be coming out pretty soon or have already come out. I don't know when this video is coming out. So cheers, guys, and we'll catch you next time.